I'm with the Defense Logistics Agency, which is the nation's logistics combat support agency. I manage the Battery Network Program, which is part of DLA's R&D manufacturing technology portfolio. The purpose of my program is to centralize on the battery supply chain and look for manufacturing capability gaps that we can improve requirements for emerging requirements that are coming out of the Department of War. This was a 2-year proposal for over $1 million to improve the production of the electrode components of these nickel zinc batteries.
We are at the Naval Surface Warfare Center Crane at one of our battery test facilities. Our job is to basically provide support for research, testing, evaluation, and eventually qualifying next generation batteries and battery systems.
We're here today at Acer Technologies in Joplin, Missouri, and we're a nickel zinc battery manufacturer.
Nickel zinc batteries, they have longer cycle life, they use less hazardous materials, and it's an inherently very safe technology to use. It'll help increase the operational capability of the submarines.
There's been a lot of efforts to really get that energy capacity, the longer life, the better sustainment, a more secure domestic supply chain in many cases as well for our weapon system capabilities. And our goal is to improve the production capabilities, which are at this point are manual, and we're trying to help the company semi-automate them so that we get better yield, better throughput, better quality.
My role for the project was basically a technical point of contact between the vendor, Acer Technologies, and the MSTP team. I also worked with DLA R&D on the funding side to keep things rolling smoothly. And DLA has been very good to work with, very easy to get things basically through roadblocks or any challenges.
So an anode is one of the essential parts of a cell or a battery. You have an anode and a cathode, and that's the source of the electrochemical reaction that drives the battery and powers the electronics.
Behind us we have a kneader extruder machine. Basically how this machine specifically relates is it's going to automate a manual process. So right now all of this dough making and mixing is done by hand. This is going to do it faster and more consistently.
We're currently developing all our batteries in a prototype phase, and our goal is to get to production. The nickel zinc batteries that we produce have about twice the capacity, twice the power, and twice the cycle life of a typical lead acid battery. And this can be critical to the warfighter for longer missions. It allows them to have more electronics, and it also allows them to not have to replace their batteries as often.
I think what excites me about this project is that nickel zinc isn't a very well-known battery technology yet, but because of its higher energy density, higher energy capability over lead acid, it has a huge potential to disrupt the lead acid industry and could replace a lot of lead acid applications.
DLA can be a major partner with the defense industrial base to bring some of these new technologies to the warfighter to increase the readiness and address supply chain concerns. And then also, this is an excellent example of where we have strong partnership with the military services and to make sure that their needs are being met by the manufacturing capability.